Hey viewers, welcome back Pyresearch channel. In this video, we are going to exploring now new topic is scaling aiding hyper interface. So what is this one? So we are starting from sketch and step by step, and we implement custom models also. If you want to not use YOLO models, you can use it custom models. Lightweight vision library designed by large scale object detection and intense segmentation with SAHI scaling object detection to the next level never be rest. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, you can see my screen. This one is the demo, and you can also see here I have one output in front of you. Uh, So you can see small models will be uh, step by step will be count, and so not count will be detect very perfectly. So how we implement? Let us start from a sketch. First of all, I am open my browser. Okay, so you can go by research.github, and if you want to go to here our website, you can just Pyresearch go to .org, but you go to here. Our GitHub channel site. First of all, this is the technical section. So open the notebooks. Okay. So we are going to step by step and not worry about the learning point of view. So we are implementation step by step and how we implement. So I will guide you step by step. So you can see if you want to open this type of means notebooks, you can see this type of interface, and you can see light vision library for object detection and segmentation. Open the here this command means link open in Google Colab. So you can see Google Colab file. It will be easy for you guys, and also we will guide you how we implement small models, custom models. So you can see we are open our Google Colab file. Here runtime manager, change the runtime, and T4 will be connect and save it. After you can see, you can just click the uh, install the library. It's very easy for you. And after you can see, we can initialize our OS means operating system library. And this is a Google Colab platform. Obviously, we want to uh, operating system means library will be need, and you can see here some dependency will be called. It's very easy. Now why we choose the custom models? We add the custom model in this one. So we want to detect the our own models with the help of a SAHI library, and here we are involving RoboFlow custom data sets. You can just press the link, but in front of you here, let me open my this one. I'm also add key. You can see we are involving satellite images from RoboFlow dataset. It's free publicly datasets also available. You just see the oil tank more uh, computer vision project, and also you can see and dataset we just only involving the dataset link from the RoboFlow. Okay, so this one is not need directly go to this one, but here now need to initialize our here folders. Let me show you first of all dataset. You can see just here YOLO V11, download my own and continue. Okay, you can see within second API key and involve it here. Let me show you this one. Okay, we involving two type of model, segmentation and simple object detection. So here oil tank, and I am already download my this one, trend test and validation, and you can see data.yxml here, bold and tank. Okay, three type of categories will be available in our dataset. Now we need to train our model. So after training part, we are successfully and have in our hand in one model. So we initialize our model path. After path will be mentioned, we in giving the some images for the testing purpose. If you want to involve the video, you can do it, but we are involving some images for testing purpose. You can see we are able to detect very closely our images. So uh, we are need to wait about the training, custom training part. So after training part, we will successfully uh, test for the our custom models images with the new model, lightweight Abidjan model. So we will also discuss about the some segmentation model. Here this one is segmentation, and it's also satellite images. You can see here water and non-water. So we are involving also potential data sets from the RoboFlow. You can also easily download. It's very accessible and very easy to input in your like codes. It's why we choosing the RoboFlow. This is the purpose. Okay. So also we involve the YOLO V11, and you can also see API key. Okay. Not need this time, but we will need very soon. So you can see this one is path already mentioned. We not need to mention this one, and not YOLO V yet. It's YOLO V obviously 10. So if you want to change the ultra license name is YOLO V8, otherwise YOLO V11. We choose the custom, we add the ultra license. So here you can see I need some images. I have, but let me show you from the internet side, satellite. Let me check my folder. In desktop side, we will need to check. Uh, Here I have two images. Okay, need to upload. Okay, from here desktop, and two pictures. So after uploading, we are able to see that this type of change the path name. We are going to step by step. I know it's a long video, but we are going to step by step. It is very informational video for you guys. So why I am taking much time for you guys? My audience will be achieved with this type of algorithms and run in these laptops successfully and implement in commercial level application. So this is our success. So uh, I think I need one image is upload successfully, copy path, and here paste. Okay, so call the performing, feeding the here one picture, and here let me change the also this one. Okay, so when you see the result, you will get the prediction from this folder. Okay, okay, this one here, prediction, visualize the image. You can see the tank, and if you want to see the real picture, you can check it out. Okay, so it's tank, oil tank. So I need to change the, if you want to change more pictures, you can do it. Otherwise, this is one is fine for me. Now here interface about the model of the SCI, and let me check it out. The change the name path. Okay, here this one. Okay, and here and run it. Okay, and now visualize the original video. So you can see we are successfully test our image. Okay, so now predict the result. What we achieve our predict the result. Number one object and here bolding type, and here Coco model will be also category will be call. So objective prediction can be converted into Coco prediction. You can also see, and batches prediction. Uh, some models and directory parameters. You can see this one. We have three pictures. One is the prediction visualizer, which I already tested. Now need to understand about the finally second part is the our segmentation. So copy already we are mentioned the our data set overview data set here no water and water. Click the data set here this one 11 show the code copy and paste it here and run it. Okay, so our this is the second our segmentation part, and the data set will be download and paste here, and also we need to train it. It's very let me show you. It's very easy for you guys, and both model will be exported as per your requirement. So if you want to go to the downloader here, this one train, okay, and here this one bit you download it. Okay, now here visualize. Okay, so here three picture will be. This is the I am already download three pictures, but this is one is the prediction visualize. So we our picture will be changed from here. Okay, and three more means three picture will be convert. Okay, so this is the concept. Okay, so now we need to wait about the here our second model. It's taking time. Our GPU will be not utilized. So you guys, you can see our model is successfully installed. Oh, sorry, the export, and here segmentation running example. It is same path. Is not same path is mentioned. The remove the three and run it. After you can see already here this one we need to custom model user realizes. This one is the segmentation already mentioned the same type of model. It's water or not. Let me show you demo in front of you here demo data. So let me call the predict here this one. Okay, if you want to change the image, let me show you here test images here copy and here paste. Okay, so also we need to change this one and run it, and let me check it out the okay it's fine, but we also need to change this one. Okay, now need to run our result. It's not fine. Okay, let me change that again. Let me check again image in front of you. It's testing purpose. Yeah, this one copy paste run it here run it. Okay, copy and paste here again. So you can see here this one will be bad. Okay, let me show you here data set data.xml here water not bed, it's water. So again we need to change the segmentation. Okay, now our path is okay fine, and here run we face the issue. Okay, about the what type of acha, okay, so this is our mistake dot pt. Here mention our path. Fine. Now call the images again. Okay. So you can see the here water. Now it's fine. Our result will be fine. So you can see the here water, water, and water. I'm save it in front of you. It's easy for you. My side is fine. So it's live testing in front of you. We change the path, we add the custom model and see the result. It's fine for us. Now here predict the much model type is not mentioned. Okay, model type is not detect. So it's fine for you guys and not worry about that. So in this video, you will learn add the custom models and object detection with the SAHI. So with the segmentation and normal detection. So hope you like it. See you in next video for more informational videos, and we will build new use case as soon as possible. See you in next video.